Presenting iQOO Z6 Pro 5G smartphone in Legion Sky. It comes in a size of 16 into 7.4 into 0.8 centimeters and weighs 187 grams. It is also available in iQOO Z6 Pro 5G 6GB RAM, 128GB storage in Phantom Dusk. iQOO Z6 Pro 5G 12GB RAM, 128GB storage in Phantom Dusk. iQOO Z6 Pro 5G 8GB RAM, 128GB storage in Phantom Dusk. iQOO Z6 Pro 5G 12GB RAM, 128GB storage in Legion Sky. iQOO Z6 Pro 5G 8GB RAM, 128GB storage in Legion Sky. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. It features a dual SIM and fingerprint sensor. The HDR10 Plus display comes with a refresh rate of 90Hz and touch sampling rate of 180Hz with a brightness of 1300 nits. It is equipped with 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras and 16 megapixel front camera. It runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G octa-core 6nm processor with FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12. The 4700 mAh battery comes with 66-watt FlashCharge for a long battery life. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.